What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. It's your DIY contractor here, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the drive belt kit for the 2001 the 2005 Ford Sport Trac. And what we're going to have in the kit, you're going to have your idler pulley, your tensioner, and your belt. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove this cover plate, and it's held on by 3 7mm bolts, which is here, here, and here. Then next you're going to have your breather tube, which is here, and you want to make sure your sensor that's attached to it, you just pull it up and disconnect it. And next we're going to remove the breather tube here, and that's a 5/16. And you just want to loosen it up. And the tube that's here is going to just pull out. So wiggle that tube to pull it out, and then give this a wiggle. And the same here, breather tube. Just pull it out. So next we're going to remove the tension off our belt, off our tensioner. So your tensioner is made like this, and what you want to do is take your 3/8 wrench, and you're going to put it in the socket in the slot here, and you're going to turn counterclockwise to take the pressure off. So it's set up like that. You're basically going to take your 3/8, put it in here, and turn and release the pressure. Since we are replacing our belt, you can check your belt to see, and this is how you check. If you can bend it and see if it has any cracks in it, that means it's time to be replaced. Next, we're going to remove our idler pulley, which is here, and it's held on by a 15mm bolt. And you want to inspect your bolt, and there's a washer on the back side that we will be reusing. So the way that washer comes off is it actually unlocks and spins, so you'll screw it out. And there's a washer here that actually go inside the pulley, so you're going to save this, and we'll sit this aside for now. So next we're going to remove our tensioner, which is here, and it's held on by a 13mm. So you want to make sure you inspect your bolt, make sure it's good. We're going to be replacing this. So what you have on the back is your notch where it's going to line up into the block. So your bolt to go here, and that way you'll make sure everything is lined up. So as you can see, it has a notch here, and the way it's set up is the back has a notch. This notch will go into that hole, and that makes sure you lined up correctly. Once we get it bolt tightened down, we want to make sure we torque it to specifications, which is 35 foot-pounds. Next, we'll put on our idler pulley, which is here. And on here, remember, bolt goes in, and this washer actually sits down into the hole. So that's going to center it. And we want to put the lock nut on the back until it bottoms out. And we'll basically turn it clockwise. And we'll torque it down the same, 35 foot-pounds. So the next step is to put on our belt, and you can follow your diagram, and that will tell you your layout for your belt. Look at the bottom first. We'll go get the side. Make a little round pulley. You want to make sure it stays lined up in grooves. And then go around the top pulley with that belt. Go there. Go on here. Here. Go. Look at it. Once you confirm you got everything, so I'm gonna loosen the tension off of here, and we'll slide it under our idler pulley. Next, confirm that your belt is in the groove around each pulley. And once you've confirmed that, we're gonna put everything back together in the reverse order. And next we'll turn it over for 5 seconds and make sure the belt lines up. Double check. That's how you replace the drive belt for a 2001 through 2005 Ford Explorer Sports Trac. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.